All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another live New York session. It is September 27th, it's Wednesday. Before we get started, let's check the news here. No major news today, so that's good. So we're going to be trading NAS100 on the G.S.A strategy. Once again, we're going to be implementing our new indicator that's part of the G.S.A strategy, and that is the CC trend. All right. So to get started, what we're going to do is we're going to start with the 1 hour here. I'm going to click on the Vinny's cheat code trade, Vinny's cheat code indicator. And as we can see with current price, we don't have a current buy or sell signal on current price. We did have a cheat code buy here, but nothing on current price. So we wouldn't trade this even on the 1 hour. So the next thing we want to do is figure out what is the overall trend, which is really easy to see. Price is trending downward. And the reason why you know that is because a lot of previous swing lows are being broken. So there's a lot of break of structure on swing lows here. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a trend line here. So we know that the overall market was bearish. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and switch to the 15-minute. Excuse me. Now, the next thing we're going to do here on the 15-minute is we are going to figure out what is the current trend of the market. So this is when we got the CC trend indicator. Let me pause it for 40 minutes before recording it. I'm back. So let's turn on the CC trend indicator. And as we can see, the red here, this is the trend line for the CC indicator. And this is the blue trend line for the CC indicator. And it falls in line with the trend line that I drew on the 1 hour. So it lets me know that, yeah, price is overall bearish. But currently, price is starting to go bullish. You see these three gray lines. The price is overall bullish. I mean, currently bullish. So we're going to turn this off and we're going to draw our trend line here. And that's all we're going to focus on. So now that our CC trend indicator let us know that price is currently bullish. Now what we're going to do is we're going to actually draw trading ranges according to that. So when we look at this bull move here, we can see that it started from this swing low. Because remember, we had a huge bear run here, and then it switched up, it started going bullish from this swing low. So that's what we're going to put. It ended with this swing high, and then we see this break of structure here. Because this was the first swing high before price decided to pull back and push up further. So we're going to label this as a bullish trading range. So that's what we're going to put. And then we're going to label these. Swing low. Structure. And then this is our swing high. Let me say no progress. So now we're going to use our Fibonacci to figure out exactly where the pullback zone is. So since we are in a bullish trading range, we're going to swing our Fibonacci from the most recent swing low to the most recent swing high. So this is our 50% area here, which price has tested before and pushed up, but this is the area. So this is just going to let us know where our buy zone is. So that way we have an idea of how far price could pull back. So we're going to put our buy zone here. Then we're going to draw our zone here. Okay. So now that we got these drawn, we can remove the field. So now when we look at this, we can see that price could come down to this area and retest it and then shoot on up. But if price happens to break this structure, then that could let us know that price is going to start turning bearish. And that's where the CC trend indicator comes into play. That's just know when price is changing direction. So now we have an idea of where price can go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the cheat code indicator. And we see that our Bollinger Band matches up with our buy zone, which is perfect. So it lets us know where price could actually buy out, stick out his Bollinger Band and get a good signal, cheat code buy and then push up. Or like I mentioned before, it could break the structure and let us know there's changing direction. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for the 9:15 candle to close in about less than 8 minutes. Then we're going to start planning that trade. But as time goes on, we're going to focus on these 3 gray lines because the price starts to shift. And these gray lines starts to kind of shift in a different direction, then you need to consider that maybe price is letting us know, that these indicators letting us know that price is changing its bias direction. So we have a little bit over 7 minutes before 9:15 candle closes. So let's wait for that, and then we'll move to the next step. Be right back. So we got about 20 seconds before the 8:15 candle closes. So at this point, we're going to do a buy. We're looking for price to really come down to this area and then push up. So price comes down, sticks out of this Bollinger Band. You want to get at least 400 plus points in NAS. So that's going to be my TP around. This is what I'm going to be at this point. TP2 is 9, close to 1,000 points. So that's what I'm looking at this point. See the CC trend is just telling us. It's still telling us that current price is previous. So I'm going to leave this on until I start seeing that it's changing direction. There's going to be changing direction. Actually, I'll turn the CC trend and put it back on when we get to 29. So we're going to wait. We have less than that. We have 11 minutes before 9:30 candle close. And that's when we're focus on price action and then focus on when we're getting that. And pay close attention to the gray lines here and the CC trend indicator. To see if it's going to change direction and if it's going to stay in the bullish fashion. So We have about 11 minutes, since 11 minutes, so we like that. So it's 8:29, so you can see that price is selling. So what's like it's going to do is kind of trend sell till it hits this band. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm going to put it in stop loss and take profit for the buy real quick here. Stop loss is 9.2, and 2, and then the take profit is going to be 14.69, and then 94.699.6. So I got that pasted in. So then we're going to turn on the CC trade indicator here. So basically now we're going to focus on price action and focus on those 3 gray lines. This is going to let us know which way price is really trying to go. So we're at the 9:30 candle now. Let's see. We're not hitting this shit in my buy. It's like price is pushing that. And my recognition is too quick that we'll see. But I think it's safe to go ahead and buy. Because even if price comes all the way down in here, it's probably going to shift up because this is starting to push up a little bit more. We can see these gray lines moving up a little bit. So lets us know we probably are in a good buying standard. Yeah, almost $30 in profit here. 40 and 50. Yeah, it's pushing up. See that? $55 in profit. And that's 60, 70, $64 in profit. $63 made. See that buy? Okay, yeah. So that lets us know that we got into a good buy because these gray lines in the CC trend indicator let us know that we're still in a good, very bullish trend according to the trend. So it really gave us a good idea of when to buy. But just imagine if the price had stick out with Bollinger Band and this was still sticking out. This definitely would have been a good buy. So let me go ahead and document these results, and I'll share them with you and we'll wrap up this session like that. Results have been documented, so you can see I've been practicing demo just for a little while. Because I want to test out the strategy before I start using my live funds. So there's my demo counter Osprey FX, and made $63 on this. And this series off of a $500 demo account. So pretty much so far with the strategy, I've grown it up to almost $200. So $187. So started this. Actually, I'll take that back. This is, I believe, the first day. So 25th, which is Monday. Yeah, that was the first day that I actually traded with the CC trend. So we do. So, so we do 65.70, $65.70 plus $64.20. Yeah, so I mean we've grown it to another $129. So you made $129.96. off of this cheaply, which is added CC trend indicator. So it's a great addition to an already effective strategy, and I'm glad that we put it out. So I'm going to share my main screen here. So this is where we're at. Now, this is still pushing up bullish, so price could come down, test this area, and then push back up even further. That's probably what it's going to be. But this is a very good guide because it lets us know that we can actually, depending on which direction this is going so far, it basically gives us a better guide of what buys or sells we can look for, especially if this is in line with a cheat code buyer or sell, or a retest buyer or sell, then it lets us know that we're definitely going to make the right move. But that's it for this session, guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.